Click on the link below to get price. The WEN Super Quiet 2350-watt portable inverter generator is an exceptional device that impressively balances power, portability, and quiet operation. Weighing in at a mere 48 pounds, it is designed for easy transport, making it a go-to option for camping trips, tailgating, or as a backup power source for home emergencies. One of the standout features of this generator is its quiet operation. At just 53 decibels, it operates at a noise level comparable to a normal conversation. This makes it suitable for outdoor gatherings where noise is a concern, and it won't disrupt your peaceful surroundings. The inverter technology ensures clean and stable power, making it safe for sensitive electronics such as laptops and smartphones. With a 2350-watt surge capacity and 1900 watts of continuous power, this generator is capable of handling multiple devices simultaneously. It can easily power a refrigerator, a few lights, or even a small air conditioning unit, which is a significant advantage during power outages. The fuel shutoff feature is a thoughtful addition, allowing the engine to run until the remaining fuel is exhausted, which helps prevent carburetor clogs. The generator is equipped with two 3-prong 120V outlets, a 12V DC outlet, and a USB port, providing versatile options for powering various devices. Users will appreciate the easy-to-read LED display that indicates power output, fuel level, and runtime, simplifying operation and monitoring. In terms of fuel efficiency, the WEN generator does not disappoint. With a modest 1-gallon fuel tank, it can run for up to 8.5 hours at half load, making it economical for extended use. Overall, the WEN Super Quiet 2350-watt portable inverter generator is a reliable and efficient choice, especially for those who prioritize quiet performance and portability. It provides an excellent solution for outdoor adventures and emergency situations alike, making it a worthy investment for anyone in need of portable power.